students, good morning. Today's section Historiography Development in West. Let's begin. Notable scholar. Because of auto connection, the word was changed into schooler. The correct word is notable scholar. Historians. Instead on verifying the reliability of historical documents by critically examining them, never to accept anything for true till all the grounds of doubt are executed. Here, first historian Rene Descartes used the method of discourse in his theory. Discourse on the method of rightly conducting one's region and of seeking truth in the science is a psychologically and autobiographically. Historical documents by critically examining them and not to seeking truth and science other than executed. Next, historian 2. He opinion that along with objective truth and chronology of historical events considering social tradition, trade, economic, agriculture, etc. was also equally important in historiography. Understanding all aspects of human life is an important for history writing. Here, second historian Waltrain used the method of modern historiography. He uses his method in his theory that history of historical writing and historical events like social, tradition, trade, economic, agriculture, and which gives an important understanding all aspects of human life in history writing. In other words, background to the different historical life of modern history, and modern history historiographic provides a clear and concise account of his modern account of historical writing. Next, historian 3. He insisted that historical reality should be presented in a logical manner. To him, the timeline of historical event was indicative of progress. Thought that the presentation of history is born of change over time as a new evidence would come forth. With Hegel philosophy, many scholars were convinced that historical methods were not to lesser equality, though they different from scientific method. Here, historian 3, George Friedrich Hegel, says that Encyclopedia of Philosophical Science. It organizes scholars from around the world in philosophical and relative disciplines to create and maintain up-to-date reference work. He used in his theory like historical reality, historical events, presentation of history, and about many philosophical scholars in the historical method, which it says that at different scientific methods. Next, historian 4. He spoke about the critical method of historical research. He put emphasis on the utmost importance of information gathered through original document. All type of documents associated with historical event need to He examined with greatest care. He criticized imaginative narration of history. Here, fourth historian is Leopold Bobbé. He used the books The Theory and Practice of History and Create of World History. So he used this method on his theory. He says about the historical research, information gathered about the historical documents, and greatest care about the historical events and narration of history. In other words, we can say that the theory and the practice of history and the great of the world history. He explained and he used in his theory. Next, historian 5. History was not about abstract ideas, it was about a living people. Human relationships are shaped by fundamental needs of people and the ownership as well as nature of prevalent means of production to meet those needs. The accessibility of these means to different strata of the society may not be equal. Thus, inequality causes a division of the society into classes, leading class struggle. According to the Marx, human history is the history of class struggle as the class that owns the means of production, rich, economical, exploits the results of the class poor. Here, fifth historian Karl Marx, he written the books Das Kapital. Here it says that history is not only abstract idea, it's about a living people and it's about a human relationship which it gives shapes to fundamental needs of people and the productions. And also it is not equal to the society of strata. It is an inequality causes between the high class and the classes struggle, low classes. According to him, human history is the history of class struggle between the economically rich and the rest of the classes of poor. Next, historian 6. He argued that the prevailing practice of arranging historical events in the chronological order is not a right. He drew attention to the fact that archaeological does not strive to reach the ultimate historical truth but attempts to explain the various transgressions in the past. Foucault felt that explaining the transition in the history is not an important. He called his method archaeology of knowledge. Foucault subject the so acknowledged areas by historians such as psychological disorders, science of medicines, prisons administrative, etc. to historical analysis. Here, historian Michel Foucault says here archaeology of knowledge. Archaeology means the study of human history and prehistory through the exertion of science and other physical methods. Here he written the book of archaeological of knowledge that he used his theory in that historical events in order is not an right but to strive to reach an historical truth. And also he explains about the history is an important in the knowledge, and he says psychological disorders, science of medicine, prisons administration, in the historical analysis. Six historians were explained in the notable scholar. First historian René Descartes, he used the method of discourse. Second historian Voltaire, he used the method of modern historiography. Third historian George Frederick Hegel, the method of Encyclopedia of Physiological Science. Fourth historian Leopold Bob Francke uses the method of theory and practice of history and the secret of the world history. Fifth historian uses the Das Kapital. Sixth historian Michael Foucault, archaeology of knowledge was used. This all the notable scholars are important in this lesson. Students, and few things I want to be share about that. Annal schools and feminist historiography. Annal schools gave a new direction to history writing. What it means? It means that reorganized now that the history is not only about the political events, king, great leaders, and accordingly politics, diplomatic and wars, but also about the climate, social people, agriculture, trade, technology, means of communication, social division, and their collective psychology. This all was mentioned in the historical times. This annal schools was started during the historical times because to read about the historical writings, not only the political events but also about the climate, local people, agriculture, trade, technology, communication, social division, everything we have to learn, so that it was started in the historical times. And other feminist historiography. Feminohistoriography means the reconstruction of the history from the perspective of women, the writing of fundamentals of feminism. Here it says that in 1990s the historical writing portrayed the woman as an independent social classes, not only to include of women in history but also on rethinking of male dominating perspective of history. Here it says that historical research to focus in the depth on various aspects of women's life such as employment, their role in the trade union institutes, working for their causes, their people life. So few things I have shared about these lessons about the annal skills and feminist historiography. I hope you understand, students. If you have any doubt in this lesson, when the school reopens, I will clear your doubt. Lesson is over. Thank you, YCEMS learners.